Well, folks, welcome back. Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're going to do a will it run cold start on this 1973 International 1210 two-wheel drive. So it's a 3/4 ton, got 345 automatic 2-barrel. It hasn't been running for, this coming fall will be 2 years. I have to start it from under the hood of a little loser switch, since there's no power going to the inside for the key, even though you can control it with a key in the side, but as far as I know. So, and the starter likes to stick too. But we'll just give you guys a quick little walk around of it. I do have one clip or video of this thing on my channel when I first got it, which is a real short little 45-second clip at night. But anyway, give you guys a little tour of it. It's the same color as my 73 4-wheel drive that I just posted here a couple weeks back, or a week back, whatever it's been. She's not terrible bad. Not great. It's got rust in all typical places these internationals seem to get them. But back at the time I had it running, it actually ran really well. And this thing had been parked since, 91's the last tag on it. So it'd been sitting for 30-ish years or better back when I took and picked it up. Well, I picked it up 2.5 years ago. But I was running off a remote tank, and I have another one of those on it today. So if it starts, hopefully it'll get gas and we'll run. So, without further ado, I'm going to take and get into it and see what happens. Turn my heat on. I think it gives it power at the coil with the key. I can't remember. But I'm soon going to find out. So I'm going to dump a little gas down the carb and see what happens. Hopefully it's a first start in almost 2 years. It's fired. Mosquitoes like me today too out here. We'll fill a bowl up for fun if we can. There we go. Oh, come on. Oop, lost power. And we may not have any juice going from this coil either. Maybe that stupid deal. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab some jumper cables. Kind of got some overkill for jumper cables here, but they will work. Over there. Give it power to the coil. There we go. Now we'll see what happens. Remember, guys, if you put power to your coil, make sure you take and put it to the battery side, not the distributor side. Or you may take and ruin your points. Alright, let's try that and see if it likes that. Well, maybe. Hey, it runs pretty good when it's got juice to it. I need to do a little wiring work on this thing since somebody's been in there and pulled stuff away. As you can see, I got open wires down there. Exhaust ain't real good. Still comes out this side, kinda. I don't think any of my gauges work either. Somebody's homemade attempt at a gas pedal. Actually, this old thing runs pretty good. I think put you guys back here by the exhaust. That was about too easy. Or it's hot daylight today. That's fine, it can be too easy. Good spot to set you guys. This carburetor has not been messed with whatsoever since I got it. And it runs amazingly well. Can't hardly believe it runs as good as it does, considering it's been 30 some years since it ain't even ran. Other than like I got it a couple years ago and got it going. I still haven't messed with it, and shit, it sits here and just idles away. She just runs like a champ. Wonder if it'll pull forward up out of the hole. ago, she didn't want to take and go very good. I think it's got a wheel that's kind of froze a little bit. But she dug herself up out of the hole. It ain't got any working brakes either, so can't get too crazy on her. And she's spinning both tires. I wonder if she's got one of them limited slip differentials. Of course, it might say inside the door. If it does, I guess I don't see one. Shit, don't even smoke a whole lot either. Well, another successful cold start. After almost, it's been a year and a half, I suppose. I think November will be 2 years, so over a year and a half. Well, if you guys like content like this, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. Well, it runs, cold starts, just filling around derelict old garbage. So, until the next one, thanks for watching. Bye.